We cannot stand by and allow this to continue any farther. This needs to be stopped now. The cancer is spreading. We need to stop this cancer before it spreads to the metaphorical organs and veins of the YWC and destroys everything that myself and so many others have worked on for so many years to make this community something, to see it come to fruition from the original seed that was planted by a few shooters to what the YWC is now is an incredible transformation. And let's not let 2013 be the year that the YWC goes down the hill. One of the biggest cancers in this community is Sean's View Entertainment, and we need to rid this community of that cancer once and for all. So I ask you to stand by my side. Stand with me. We will get rid of this cancer. Oskar Kokoschka needs to get his ass fucking kicked out of the boarding house. Plain and simple. He's an illiterate, bald, dumb leech. Plain and simple. Hashtag Oskar Kokoschka. Hashtag cancer-free YWC. Hashtag StoopKid. It's time to take this to the next level. We can no longer stand by and allow this to continue. Let's rid the YWC of this cancer once and for all. Everybody that hears this video, go to his video. Do something about it. He has insulted our intelligence for long enough, and he has insulted your intelligence. He has disrespected you, and I'm talking to every single individual fan, subscriber, or viewer of Sean's View Entertainment. He has made you all out to be fools and used you to make money, to try to become popular, to try to break out from this community. He has used you, and never gave anything back. It's time for us to give him something back. A firm boot in the ass and a firm boot out of this goddamn community and off of YouTube forever. Hashtag cancer-free YWC. I'll catch you later.